Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to make pav bhaji cooked by Shornam Kaur. Let's get started. We need these mentioned ingredients for our recipe. Note it down. Chopped tomatoes, onions, capsicums, green chilies, and finely chopped coriander. Take cubed potatoes, carrots and beans. We need butter, pav bhaji masala, pav bhaji breads. First, to prepare the bhaji, add 2 tablespoons of butter in kadai. Heat the kadai for 30 seconds to melt the butter. Add chopped tomatoes, onions, capsicums and green chilies to the kadai. Saute the veggies in butter. Add salt as per your taste. Saute till the onions turn translucent. Add the chopped mixed vegetables to it. Start to combine them well. Saute the vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes on a low to medium flame till the raw aroma goes away. Then add half cup of water to boil the vegetables. Boil the vegetables for 3 to 4 minutes at medium flame. Cover them with a lid. Once the vegetables are soft and mushy, mash them well in the pan directly with the masher. When the water is getting soaked and the vegetables are mashed properly, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, then add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and pav bhaji masala. Sprinkle some dry methi leaves on the top and add coriander leaves to it. Keep stirring to mix the vegetables with the masala well. Make sure the vegetables are not getting burned. Stir them well and make a space in the center and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Add extra spices as required. Sprinkle some methi leaves and add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste to it. Then add remaining coriander leaves and chopped onions and squeeze 1 lemon to it. Mix them well. This is optional. You can add 1 teaspoon of food coloring to give a good color to the bhaji. Start to combine them well and avoid getting stuck to the bottom of the kadai. Now add another half cup of water when the bhaji looks thick and dry. Stir well and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes at medium flame till a pleasant smell comes out. For a smooth bhaji mixture, mash more while simmering. If you want chunk veggies, then mash accordingly. Bhaji is ready. Now to toast the pav, slice the pav from the center like this. Heat a pan, keep the flame to low and then add butter. When the butter begins to melt, add a bit of pav bhaji masala, red chili powder and coriander leaves. Mix the pav bhaji masala very well with a spoon. Then place the pav on the butter. Rotate the pav all over the melted butter so that the pav absorbs the butter and turn over. Repeat the same. Serve the bhaji hot with a lightly pan-fried and buttered pav. You can sprinkle onions, coriander leaves and lemon juice directly on the bhaji. If you're really missing street food, try this recipe at home and enjoy. To see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon and like. Thank you.